stop it crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry. For one so small, you seem so strong.
Tita, happy birthday po. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng malakas na pangangatawan at palagi kang mag-iingat at happy ka sana sa simpleng celebration na hinanda namin para sa iyo. Yan. Ingat ka palagi. We love you from your mga pamangkin.
Hello, Sisi Al! Happy 60th birthday! Ayan, ang pinakaintay mong kaarawan. Nakaabot ka. Senior citizen ka na ngayon. Ano pa ba ang gagawin sa buhay? Maging masaya na lang palagi. Oh, diba? Yan ang life ng senior. Ever, always, I love you. At mahal na mahal ka namin. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Love you. Love you.
Hello, good morning. Sis, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Okay po, salamat. Oh, diyan ka pala. Shoutout ako kay Tita Aw. Happy birthday sa'yo, Tita Aw. Ingat palagi, I love you. You know naman, the ABC and the 1, 2, 3, no? 3 times a day. I love you. Bye-bye. Ingat. Happy birthday. Yahoo! Bye-bye. Biyahe pa ako. Busy.
Happy birthday, Tita Aw. And more birthday to come. Salamat sa lahat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Aw. More birthday to come. Stay healthy. And nandito lang kayo mga pamangkin ng parang mga kapalagi. More birthday to come. I love you.
Happy birthday, Lola Aw. Happy birthday, Lola Aw.
Happy birthday, Tita. More birthdays to come. Wish you good health.
God bless you. Happy 60th birthday, Lola Aw. Happy 60th birthday, Lola Aw. Kasi, happy
60th birthday, Lola Aw.
We love you so much.
Love you so much.
68th birthday, Lola Aw. Mag-ingat ka palagi dyan sa Area 1. Pag kailangan mo kami, andito lang kami. Salamat din sa tuwing birthday ko, binibigyan mo ako ng pera para makakain o makagala. Salamat, Lola Aw. Thank you. I love you.
Happy 68th birthday to you, Lola Aw. I wish you the best. God bless and ingat always.
Hello po, happy birthday and more birthday to come. And stay healthy po and God bless.
Hi, Tita. Happy 18th birthday. 18th birthday. Happy 60th birthday, Tita. Sana bigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay at malakas na pangarap. Ingat. God bless. Love you.